Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is right over here staring at me as I film this, watching my every move. Like I said, Sophie's my producer and editor. If this is your first time here, and she likes to make fun of me, so as she edits, sometimes she takes little jabs at me. You'll see those going across the bottom, occasionally at the top of the screen. So today's exciting. It is the week of 4th of July, Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Exciting. It's in 2 days actually when I'm filming this. Cannot wait. And we're gonna make a drink, and this probably gives it away. We're gonna make a Captain America cocktail. Pretty sure it's probably red, white, and blue. Well, I have the ingredients. I guess I should know that. It is red, white, and blue. So Captain's here joining us. Blue is here. And can't wait to see this. I've never made this one before, so it sounds delicious. Hope you like it. It's perfect for any 4th of July picnic or gathering, watching the fireworks. Fantastic stuff. And this recipe actually comes from myheavenlyrecipes.com. So check that out. There's a lot of other fantastic recipes on that site, and I found this and I was so excited. Couldn't wait to make it. So here we go. The Captain America cocktail. All right, there we have it. Captain America cocktail. This looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. Look at the colors on that. Red, white, and blue. Obviously. Obviously red, white, and blue. Okay, let's give it a try before I drop it. My hand's shaking here. The glass is freezing cold. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is delicious. I love it. I can taste the coconut. I can taste the peach vodka too. It actually tastes like peach. I mean, it is peach vodka. I guess it should be. You know, sometimes you get a flavored liquor. Doesn't taste anything like it. This tastes like peach. So that blends well together. Who thought peach and coconut? And I actually use Sprite Zero, so it's not as sweet. So if you want to use the regular Sprite, if you'd like it to be sweeter, I actually didn't. So I think that cuts down on a little sweetness because this is definitely a sweet drink. I love it. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. Perfect for any 4th of July party or just watching Captain America, the First Avenger, or any of the Marvel films that he stars in. The Star-Spangled Man with a Plan. Love it. Thank you, Cap. Happy 4th of July. All right, well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. You also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, usually about 2 per week, at least 1 per week, and sometimes 2 per week. And also leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or anything you'd like to see me do. I can attempt that, keyword being attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not exactly sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching, and happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day.